In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a quiz in Canvas to a Word document so you can make a possible static quiz. So the first thing you want to do is find the quiz that you want to convert, and you have to be careful here. So I'm going to show you the difference between, for example, this quiz right here. If I look at how this was created, it's a randomized quiz that selects questions randomly from a test bank, and you can't use that particular quiz. I have to use a quiz that has embedded questions such as this one. If I look at this and look at the questions, see how the questions are embedded into the quiz. So I need to choose something like that, and then I'm going to take that quiz. Well, the first thing I have to do is go to the settings in Canvas and export the quiz that I want to export to Respondus. So I use the export course content, and you'll see I've done a few of them. But what I want to do is I want to find the exact quiz that I want to export, select it. I don't want all of them because it does get confusing with the file names. So I'm going to go find the one that I want. Which was right here. And I'm going to create the export. And it's going to take a minute to process. So give it a few minutes. And then it sometimes, it depends on your version of Canvas, but mine will create this new export file here when I create it. So I click on that and I want to download it to some folder. Put it in my downloads folder, and I'm going to save that. I'm going to go find that file where I just created it and extract it. And it's going to create some weird looking files. So I'm now going to go to Respondus, and that screen will come up like this. And I want to go to Import Questions. Now, notice the personality up here must be IMS QTI for my Canvas file. And over here, this must be the type of file QTI. So you have to be careful with those. There's drop downs here to select the correct one. And then you go find the file that I just created, which is a weird named one. It's not any of these. It's this long file that looks like a Java file, and it's this one with the longest name, I guess you could say. I select that. And then I'm going to name my file. And then I'm going to preview it. And notice there should be a bunch of questions that pop up here. These should be the questions that are coming from Canvas. And then I finish. Whoops. Okay, and I just click the Finish button. And that should bring you over to this, and it shows you what questions you have chosen here. And then I'm just going to go to Preview and Publish, Print Options, and I just want to save it to a file. And again, I'm going to go to this Downloads folder, so I know where it is. I'm going to call it Alternate Quiz 10. And then it says file saved. I should be able to go over there and find that file that I just created, and now it's in a Word document that you can save and choose. I hope that helps.